Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine if you're new here. So in today's video, I'm just going to show y'all my lazy curly hair routine. I call it lazy because it's just kind of low maintenance. I only use 2 products on my hair right after the shower after I washed it, 3 if you count the oil. This is how my hair is looking right now. And I'm basically just gonna show y'all how I got my hair to look like this only using 2 hair products. So y'all stay tuned and we'll get right into the video. So boom, so right here I am just taking my hair down out of my microfiber towel. My hair is freshly washed, so I just washed my hair with my Shea Moisture shampoo and conditioner. As you can see, after taking it down from the microfiber towel, it's very wet. It's very damp. It's not very wet. It's kind of voluminous right now, I think that's how you say it, because I really want my hair to have more volume to it, and so I like to dry it a little bit before I start my wash and go so that it can have more volume and not necessarily going for a wet look. So right here I'm just moisturizing my scalp with my Jamaican black castor oil and using my scalp massager to get the castor oil to go over my scalp with it to distribute it across it. My hair is very low porosity, if you can't tell. Just 5 minutes before, my hair was still damp, and now you can see in the front it's very dry. All the water is gone. So I have to go back and restore that moisture back into my hair because my hair just dries so fast after I take it out of my towel or after I get out of the shower or whatever. So right here I'm just spraying my hair with my spray bottle. And I was watching a Netflix show. I was all into it, y'all, so I'm sorry if I keep looking at the TV. Madness on Netflix. If y'all haven't watched it, y'all need to go watch that because it's crazy. But anyway, so right here I'm just using my wide tooth comb to get the tangles out that came into my hair once it dried up. And the first product that I'm using is the Dear Mama Leave-In / Moisturizer by I Love To Do. So I got this product I think like last summer maybe or something like that, and it's very lightweight, and typically when you have low porosity hair it is recommended that you use like lightweight products such as like hair milk or something like that. And I could talk more about like low porosity, high porosity, all that other stuff, and how you can find out what porosity your hair is in another video if y'all would like me to. But I try to stick with like the lighter products. As you can see, it's very like thin, but I try to stick with the lighter products because I feel like it kind of holds on my hair better and it doesn't like weigh it down too much. So you can see it still has like separation going on. So after I put the moisturizer in my hair, I'm just combing through again with my wide tooth comb to get any other gnats and tangles that have came onto my hair. And I'm just gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. So I'm just taking my hair into sections, and I probably should have done smaller sections because as you can see my hair is very thick. But like I said, this is my lazy girl routine. I was in a rush, I had to go somewhere, so I wasn't trying to do all that. But I'm trying to get better with taking care of my hair for real, because I used to be very intentional about my hair routine, my wash and goes, all that stuff, and I've kind of gotten lazy lately. But yeah, I'm getting back right. So this part, as you can see, it was very tangled and very dry, so it kind of took me a while to comb all of that out, but I finally got it all together, and you can see the definition starting to come back into my hair once it's moisturized. You should never comb out your hair dry. You want to wet it first and then comb it out, because if you try to comb out your hair dry, you're just gonna break off kind of damaged ends, split ends, all that stuff, and you're not gonna be able to retain your hair length or your hair health if you're just combing through your hair carelessly and not, you know what I mean, like, yeah, y'all get what I'm trying to say. So anyway, now I'm just parting my hair down the middle, putting my part where I wanted it at, and just going through again and spraying my hair. So this product is a mouthful. It is the Poppin' Pineapple Curl Gel that is made by the Curls brand. So it actually does smell like pineapples, but it's not very overpowering, which I like that. But I really love this product. By the way, this is not a sponsorship, I just really like this product. But anyway, I really like this product because As you can see, my hair is getting more shine to it and more definition. The gel is what's really gonna clump your curls together whenever you're doing your wash and go. And this gel is very lightweight, and typically sometimes certain gels can like leave that cast on your hair that makes your hair very crunchy, and the gel like kind of starts flaking and stuff like that. But I personally have not experienced that with this gel, and I've had it for a very long time, so I feel like that kind of tells enough in itself of the quality of it. So this is how it's looking after I've applied the gel and the other products, and I will show y'all how it's looking once my hair dries. Thank y'all so much for watching. This is how my hair looks after all of that. I'll do a 360. So I do have a curly cut, and so I do have bangs right here, and I actually like combed them back a little bit. Lately I've been just trying to do my hair in like just this normal style instead of like doing my bangs right here. There have been times where I have like finger coiled my entire head, which takes at least an hour, but the result is really good. I'll insert a picture of like how that looks when I do it. But yeah, this is how my hair is looking. I haven't peeked it out or anything. This is just simply from air drying. I didn't diffuse it, and it has a lot of definition, and that's thanks to the gel. I'll probably rate this, and it has a lot of bounce to it too. But I'll probably rate this hairstyle. It's easy. It doesn't get in my face and it's not in the way. I'll give this wash and go, I'll give it a 7. Yeah, I'll give it a 7. Just because my ends too, they're very like chopped up. But no, that do is the truth. I came across it in Target one day, and I've been using it ever since. It's like a leave-in plus a moisturizer all in one. Kind of depends on your hair porosity too, and if it'll actually like moisturize your hair really good. But I'm pleased with the results of today's wash and go. Yeah, if y'all want to see a video of me finger coiling my hair and seeing how I get my hair to look like my finger coil hairstyles, give me a like, hit subscribe, and I'll give y'all a video eventually of how I finger coil my hair. But yeah, bye y'all. Thank y'all for watching.